for any non-zero real number, any non-zero real number, so real valued function, let f(x) is equal to f(x) plus 2 times f of 1 by x equal to 3x. Then the sum of all possible values of x for which f(x) equal to 3. So, here you see f(x) is given as f(x) plus f(2) times f(x) plus 2 times f of 1 by x, and this is given as 3x. Okay. Let us call it equation 1. Now, let us do one thing. We have to find the sum of all possible values of x for this equation f(x) equals to 3. So, first we have to solve for f(x). So, what we can do is, in this equation, let us replace x by f(x). If I replace x by f(x) in this first equation, it will be f of 1 by x. Let us replace x by 1 by x. So, it will be f of 1 by x plus 2 times, this will become f(x), right, and it will be 3 by x, right, let us call it 2. And let us solve for f(x), right. We do not want f of 1 by x, right. So, this is 2 times 1 f of 1 by x. Let us say multiply this equation by 2. Okay. So, this is 1. Let us multiply the second one by 2, right. Second equation I am multiplying by 2. So, this is we got one equation. Second I am multiplying by 2. So, I will get 2 times f of 1 by x plus 4 times f(x) is equal to 6 by x, right, I am multiplying by 2, okay. Let us call it 3. And from 3 I am subtracting 1. So, from 3 if I subtract 1, this 2 times f1 by x, 2 times f1 by x will get cancelled. It will be 4 f(x) and minus f(x). So, we will get 3 times f(x), and that is equal to 6 by x minus 3x. We will get this, right. Okay. I can take 3 common. So, it will become 2 by x and minus x. Okay. We can cancel 3 from both the sides. So, we got f(x) equals to 2 by x. Okay. I got 3 common. So, 2 by x minus x. So, f(x) equals to, we got 2 by x minus x, right, and it is given that f(x) is 3. So, this is equal to 3, right. Okay. So, from here we got multiplying both sides by x. So, we got 2 minus x square equal to 3x. Okay. 2 minus x square equal to 3x, or we can say take everything that side, or you can say x square plus 3x minus 2, okay, equals to 0, right. Okay. Now, the question is the sum of all possible values of x for this equal to this rule. This is a quadratic equation, and it will give us 2 values of x. They are asking sum of all possible values of x, and x is a real number. Let us check the discriminant. b square minus 4ac, b square is 9 minus 4 plus it is 17, is positive. So, the roots of this equation will be a real number, right. Okay. And they are asking sum of roots, sum of the values of x. See, there are 2 values of x, both are real, and those 2 values will satisfy this equation. So, basically those 2 values are the roots of this equation, and they are asking the sum of those 2 values, means sum of roots. So, we have to find sum of roots of this equation. We know that if a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, sum of root is minus b by a. So, here we got b is 3. So, minus 3 by a is 1. So, the answer is minus 3. So, sum of the 2 values of x will be minus 3, which will be option 1. So, minus 3 is the answer. Okay. Now, let us go to the next question. Okay.